Now we are jumping into the main part, the steps, what we need to do if we want to do it. So we need to go with these applications. So let me quickly explain. Manage characteristics catalog, we have already gone through it. I will not repeat it. This is where basically we will be calling CVC, characteristics value combination, but this is nothing but our parameters. Parameters is not actual characteristics of SAP, it's just a parameters which we want to use it to do our allocations. So the parameter can be your customer group, sales organization, different parameters can be there, right? If you want to use these parameters should be activated in the manage characteristics catalog. Here we have a different catalog for product allocation, different catalog for back order processing. So any characteristics which you want to use, any parameter you want to use, it need to be activated in the catalog. Some standard activation of the characteristics parameters are there. You can also go there and check what is the another parameters are available and you can activate them. And even the custom parameters, your custom fields can also be included as a parameter here. So first major step we'll be doing will be configuring the product allocation object. Then we would be maintaining the product allocation planning data. Planning data in this place, you would be maintaining that January, February, March, what we will be doing. So this is configure product allocation. We call it product allocation object. So product allocation object will be creating it here. Planning data will be maintaining it here. In this, we will be maintaining that what characteristics value combination need to be used by this object. Then we'll be maintaining the planning data, that what is for the different characteristics value combination, what is the assignments. Then we need to define the product allocation sequence. This would be having a significant configurations. This will control how the allocations need to happen. This is major part we need to understand, and it is a little complex also. Then the sequence which we have defined, this sequence need to be assigned to our product plus plant combination. And this is the reporting part. This is also very important. This almost came, a good reporting came in 1909. And I started saying that after 1909 only the product allocation is usable. Before product 1909, I said that it's a good functionality, but it cannot be used much. Because what system has done, because when you have too many characteristics value combination, for which characteristics value combination, what confirmations has been done, what is pending, because when you define this constraint, you need to also fine tune these constraints also. If you have defined something wrong, then you might be having that losing your sales because the another customers are unconfirmed. One side you are allocating for one customer, he is not giving order to you. Another customer is giving order to you, but you are not allocating to him, right? So you need to cross-check your system. You need to monitor these rules. You need to control these rules, and you need to fine-tune these rules. So good monitoring and control is required. That was missing till somewhere around 1709 or 1809. And then SAP come up with this reporting. With this reporting, although it is reporting, it's not major functionality, but it plays an important role because when all these parameters I need to fine tune, I need some data from system. I need some visibility that where I'm getting wrong, where my allocations are already 100%, and I have a demand which is unfulfilled, where basically I have my allocation which is unfulfilled. So I need to check those parameters, and then based on those parameters, I need to do the corrections in my planning data. In my allocation data, I need to do some corrections. So this is the reporting which would be very useful, which we need to understand in detail. So these are the key applications which we'll be using, and now we'll be going step by step in the system to configure our applications.